If you're facing difficulty in booking your COVID-19 vaccine slot on the COVID website or Arogya Setu app, then you should try booking your vaccine appointment on WhatsApp. It's easy peasy and probably the most convenient way to book your vaccine slot. And here's a simple guide on how to do it. So first up, save the government's Corona helpdesk number 90131-51515 on your phone. Now once that's done, open its WhatsApp chat and type and send book slot. It will generate a 6-digit OTP on your WhatsApp mobile number. Enter that. Now in my case, I didn't use my WhatsApp number to register myself on the COVID website. So it is asking me to enter the registered mobile number. Now I'll enter that and enter the OTP again. Now it will show your vaccine details and the list of people that are registered with your number. Now select a member whose vaccine appointment you would like to book. You can now search nearby vaccination centers by PIN code or member list. Then you will have to tell the bot your vaccine preference and if you would like to see paid or free vaccination centers. Then enter your location PIN code and choose a preferred location and date and book your vaccine appointment in a few minutes. You can also use this helpdesk number to download your vaccine certificate or get the latest update on COVID-19 and a bunch of other useful options. If you find this useful, then do share this video with others and also hit the like button and subscribe to Gadget360.com.